In Station 2, we are going to be testing the conductivity of some substances in its solid state, as well as these substances in an aqueous solution. So first we are going to be testing zinc, which is a metallic substance, and then we are going to be testing sucrose, which is a covalent molecular compound. Next is paraffin, which is a covalent compound. After that, we're going to be testing NaCl, which is also known as sodium chloride or table salt, and that is an ionic compound. And after that, we are going to be testing potassium iodide, which is an ionic compound as well. So in doing this experiment, you're going to put each of the substances into a different dwelling. And now we're going to be testing the conductivity of these substances with this conductivity tester. So if it lights up, that means it can conduct electricity. And if it doesn't light up, it means that it can't. Ionic compounds consist of a metal and a nonmetal that are bonded together. They form crystals with stacks of positive and negative ions. They have a high melting point and a low vapor pressure. They are non-conductors in the solid state, but can conduct electricity when dissolved in water or when in the liquid state. Ionic compounds are hard crystalline solids in which most are soluble in water and can dissolve due to molecule-ion attraction. In this next part of the experiment, we are going to be adding water to all of the substances to create an aqueous solution. Some properties of covalent molecular compounds is that they can be described as bonds and packages of atoms called molecules. These bonds are weak. They have a low melting point and a high vapor pressure. These do not conduct well in any phase. Solid forms are relatively soft. They are only soluble in water if the molecule is polar. And now we are going to be using a toothpick, a different one for each substance we don't mix, to create an aqueous solution that can be tested for the conductivity. Metallic substances are cations, which are positively charged ions in a sea of mobile electrons. They are malleable, ductile, and have a metallic luster due to these mobile electrons that they have. They have a moderate to high melting point and a moderate to low vapor pressure. They conduct in the solid state due to mobile electrons. They are hard, but not as hard as ionic or network substances. They are insoluble in water, which means that they cannot create aqueous solutions, as you can see with the zinc. And the sucrose is not a conductor either. The table salt can conduct electricity in water, as you can see. And the potassium iodide as well can conduct electricity in water due to its ionic compound bonding.